Kumpadre! Anak ka ng kapre! Traidor ka!
Dapat nung pa nagsulera tayo ng kandila!
Dapat lang!
Alam ko matapang ka! Pero wala ka namang utak!
Kumpadre, ikaw ang utak!
Ring?
Tayo!
Traidor ka, Cobra. Kinasangkapan mo lang ako sa mga kataksilan mo. Hindi ko alam ang sinasabi mo, Melinda.
Sinungaling! Ikaw ang nagpadala ng mensahe. Sino pang maaaring gumawa nun?
Maaaring magkaiba kami ng kampo at paniniwala. Pero kahit kailan, hindi ko magagawa yung ibinibintang mo. Kapatid ko si Major Macan. Marami na akong tinalikuran buhat nung mamundok ako. Pero kahit kailan, hindi ko kinalimutan na kapatid ko siya.
Nasa ospital siya ngayon. Kung totoo ang sinasabi mo, may mga anay na sumisira sa pangkat mo. Hindi mo ba aalamin kung sino may pakana nito?
Mr. Ola, may makukunan ba ng gamot dito? Sumasakit ang ulo ko.
Yes ma'am. May clinic po sa ground floor. Sandali po, ikukuha ko kayo.
Please.
Api, ako nang kukuha para sa kanya.
Huwag na, Aris. Nakakahiya naman sa'yo.
Para yun lang.
Sir, may tawag kayo sa telepono.
Here in Central Operations, the nerve center of Kempco, filled with computers, monitors, and processing equipment, where the visions of tomorrow are the realities of today.
All activities in and around the plant are controlled and monitored from this room. Security is very important in a facility such as this.
And Kemco has an impeccable safety record.
That's reassuring.
I'd like to take a group photo. It'll only take a couple of moments if you wouldn't mind.
Sure, sounds like a good idea.
Thank you.
Wala pa si Aris?
Darating na yan.
Sir,
Hello?
sir. May mga bagong mukha rito. Kahina-hinala po yung mga kilos nila.
Standby ka lang dyan. Subaybayan mo sila. At i-report mo sa akin kung mayroon silang masamang gagawin.
Mr. Ojeda, could you please stand behind Miss Dizon? Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
Okay. Now, if I can have everyone's attention. Now, the promotional directors have requested from me that I take a group shot of everybody saying the Kemco slogan in unison, because this best captures the essence of all the hard work that you've done here. Now, on the count of 3, I want you all to give me a thumbs up and say, this is just the beginning. You make all the people back in Cleveland very happy. Okay? Okay then. 1, 2. This will be a shot to remember. 3.
This is just the beginning.
Oh,